Good afternoon, class 6th. So yesterday we have completed the question answer part and the vocabulary part of why birds commit suicide. And now we are going to start with the exercise. So come to the B part. Tick the correct option. Birds are trapped by bird lighting. Birds are trapped by bird lighting. A option. In Philippines, most of the birds are trapped with tawang. So B part MCQ हैं जो आपके फर्स्ट वन इज द फर्स्ट का है ए, सेकंड का है तवांग बी एंड थर्ड का है जतिंगा मीन्स अ पाथवे ऑफ रेन एंड वाटर अगेन ए. So now we come to the language skills. Yes. So one word, in a one word, suicide. Side is a prefix. पीछे लगती है जो चीज उसे prefix कहते हैं. And that means killing. So now write the side words for each of the following sentences and help box is given to you here. So with the help of this help box, you have to write down the correct words. Killing of oneself. Killing of oneself is suicide. Killing of human beings, homicide. Killing of particular human race, genocide. Killing of unwanted plants, weedicide. And killing of own father, patricide. Right? So with this we have done. Do you know more side words? So do you know more side words? Insects, insecticides. They have written insecticides. The next word is rodents. So rodenticide. Okay. And the next one is fungicide. Fungicide. So clear? Read the sentences. In this sentence, even in July and August, birds appear but in decidedly fewer number. So here decidedly जो है वो as an adverb use हो रहा है. And fewer is an adjective. Means sometimes we have to use adverb and adjective jointly. So some adverbs are used before the adjectives. कुछ adverbs को हम adjectives से पहले लगाते हैं ताकि हमारे जो adjective है उस पर ज़्यादा stress हो, उसे हम ज़्यादा emphasize कर सकें. ठीक है? Now underline the adverbs, this one, and the adjectives to whom they emphasize in the following sentences. हमें adverbs को underline करना है. This mystery is simply unbelievable. तो simply यहाँ पे क्या हुआ? Adverb हुआ और unbelievable यहाँ पे हुआ adjective. They were totally confused with the mystery. So here the adverb is totally. Totally. We will write it like this. यहाँ adverb लिखिए आप इसके नीचे और यहाँ लिखिए आप adjective. तो यहाँ आएगा सेकेंड का totally. Confused. Totally confused. Then the second is completely untrue. Completely untrue. Fourth is extremely easy. Extremely easy. And then the next one is really beautiful. So clear? So these we have done. The first one is already done here. Now the second one is we have to use fill in the blanks with do, does or did. Do. The first blank is dash you think it's a mystery. So we will do this side. We come to the C part. The first one is dash you think it's a mystery. So do. First one में. Second, dash it rain every day in Jatinga. It's a question form. Does it rain every day in Jatinga? Does. Second में आएगा does. Third में आएगा dash it happened last night. Does it happen last night? Then do it happen. Here we are talking about the past, so it will be do, not does. Does it happen? No. Here does will used. Does. Because with it we use does. In fourth, what dash you want for lunch? What do you want for lunch? The fifth, why did they leave so suddenly? Okay. No, the third one, check it again. Here we are talking about the last night. Does it happen last night? No. Did it happen last night? Here did आएगा. क्योंकि last night की बात हो रही है, past की हो रही है, तो यहाँ पे आएगा did. Yes. Word power. Use the less adjective in the following blanks. Now, word part, first word. It is a moonless night. Second, a dash bird. नीचे blanks दिए हुए हैं, but they are only 6 and we have 8 blanks. So let us try from here. Flightless bird. Second, no, this is second. So third one, a cloudless sky. Fourth one, a leafless tree. Fifth, a codeless phone. Sixth, a merciless king. Seventh is a dash bigger. This word is very different. यहाँ इन्होंने noun ठीक से नहीं लगाया है, bigger. Now what it can be, I could not find the meaning. So leave this. We will do the 8th one. A dash fruit. या tasteless fruit या seedless. Tasteless fruit. Okay. Now one word is left, homeless. होमलेस अगर हम लगाएं, अ होमलेस, बिगर तो कुछ नहीं बनता, अ होमलेस पर्सन लिख सकते हैं हम यहाँ पे, या तो आप बिगर की जगह पर्सन कर दीजिए। तो हम 7th वाला जो है ये कर लेते हैं, अ होमलेस पर्सन। आप बिगर को कट कर दीजिए। ओके, यहाँ बिगर को काट के पर्सन कर लीजिए तो बन जाएगा होमलेस पर्सन। सो नाउ वी कम टू द बी पार्ट, मेक नाउन्स फ्रॉम द फॉलोइंग। अट्रैक्ट, attraction. Second, migrate, migration. Third, treat, treatment. Fourth, observe, observation. Fifth, move, movement. Sixth, consider, consideration. Right, so with this we have completed up to page number 107. Now turn the page. Suppose you have a plan to go to Jatinga. These are speaking skills, so you can try these at home. So you are planning to go to Jatinga by train and your friend has some useful information. Ask your friend to share his information with you. Use the following words. So you can ask your friend, you can ask, form the questions. When does the train leave? So he will tell you at 10 a.m. What time did it arrive? How much the ticket costs? Do I need a reservation, or does the train stop at Guwahati? So you form these questions and take any family member at your home and do the speaking practice. Begin your conversation. When does the train leave? So these are the jumbled questions. You have to unjumble it, form into a proper question. Take one family member and do this, practice this conversation at home. Reading for information. Read the following 2 sentences. All birds have feather, a pigeon is a bird. So the first sentence tells something about the quality of the birds. तो फर्स्ट सेंटेंस में आपको ये बता रहे हैं कि जो all birds हैं, they have feathers. They all have feathers, right? So we can conclude that since a pigeon is a bird, so it will have feathers. जैसे कि pigeon एक bird है, तो it will have feathers. They are telling some information about the bird, so we have to write it in our own words. So now write a logical conclusion for each of the following sentences. It is at page 108. Now, the first one is all snakes are legless and iguana has 4 legs. So इससे हमें conclusion, हमें information क्या मिली कि all the snakes are legless, but iguana has 4 legs. So we will write, this is the reading. This is reading for information. The first one is, so we have concluded that since all snakes are legless, right? किसी भी snake की leg नहीं होती, but an iguana has 4 lakhs. Second, all sharks live in salty water. The great white is a big shark. Since the great white is a big shark, they all live in a salty water. So we will start like this. Since the great white is a big shark, they all live in a salty water. Third one, all mammals give birth to babies. A sheep gives birth to young ones. Since all mammals give birth to babies, sheep also no. We will start like sheep as a mammal also give birth to babies. Yeah, sheep is a mammal. Hence लिख सकते हैं. Hence it will give birth to no. Sheep is a mammal. Hence it gives birth to it birth to young ones. Fourth one, all spiders have 8 legs. Tarantula is a spider. Since tarantula is a spider, it will have 8 legs. As all green plants contain chlorophyll, but mushroom is white. So with this we have completed the book exercise, question answers, vocabulary part of Why Birds Commit Suicide. So all of you are supposed to complete your work, and tomorrow we are going to start with a face in the dark. It's a section 2 from the unit 6. So watch the tenses video also and watch this video also and complete your work in your notebooks. Right? That's it.